Hello everyone, welcome to Sepi Food. Today we're making a delicious dish from England that I like to call potato balls. If you're ready, let's get started and make this tasty recipe together. To get started, finely dice one onion and add it to a little oil. Sauté it gently over medium heat until it becomes soft, lightly golden, and wonderfully fragrant. This step creates the flavorful base of our dish, so take your time and let the onion cook slowly without burning to bring out its natural sweetness. Once the onions have softened and turned lightly golden, finely dice one bell pepper and add it to the pan. Sauté it together with the onions for a few minutes until the pepper becomes tender and its sweet aroma blends beautifully with the onions. Next, add the sweet corn to the pan and sauté it for a few minutes, allowing it to absorb the flavors of the onions and bell pepper. Meanwhile, grind the chicken breast using a meat grinder or food processor until it has a fine texture. Add the ground chicken to the pan and cook everything together over medium heat, stirring continuously to break up the meat. Continue sautéing until the chicken is fully cooked, lightly golden, and all the ingredients are well combined, creating a rich and flavorful filling. Now season the mixture with garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. Give everything a good stir and continue sautéing for another minute or two, allowing the spices to release their aroma and coat every ingredient evenly. This step brings all the flavors together and gives the filling a rich, savory taste. Now it's time to prepare the bechamel sauce. Add the butter to a saucepan and let it melt, then stir in the flour and cook for a minute. Season with salt and black pepper, then gradually pour in the milk while whisking continuously to keep the sauce smooth and lump-free. Continue cooking over medium heat, stirring constantly until the sauce thickens into a rich, creamy consistency. Next, it's time to prepare the mashed potatoes. Mash the cooked potatoes until they are smooth and creamy, then add some dried dill and dried mint. Mix everything well, allowing the herbs to blend into the potatoes and infuse them with a fresh, aromatic flavor that perfectly complements the filling. Now, spread a generous layer of the creamy bechamel sauce evenly across the bottom of your baking dish to create a rich and flavorful base. Next, take a portion of the mashed potatoes and gently flatten it in your hands. Place a spoonful of the chicken filling in the center, then carefully wrap the mashed potatoes around it, sealing the filling completely inside. Shape it into a smooth, round ball and repeat the same process until you have 4 evenly sized potato balls. Arrange them gently on top of the bechamel sauce, ready for the final step. To finish, generously spoon the remaining bechamel sauce over the potato balls, making sure they are well coated. Sprinkle a generous layer of shredded mozzarella cheese on top, then place the baking dish in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 40 minutes. Bake until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and beautifully golden brown, creating a rich, creamy topping with a perfectly crisp finish. And just like that, our delicious potato balls are ready to enjoy. Crispy and golden on the outside, with a creamy, flavorful filling on the inside, they're the perfect comfort food. I hope you give this recipe a try and enjoy every bite. Bon appétit! If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe to Sepi Food for more delicious recipes from around the world. Be sure to check out our other videos for even more tasty cooking ideas. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.